Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the challenges and the solution associated with cross-border financial transaction using virtual data room. So cross-border financial transaction using virtual data room come with their own set of challenges, largely tied to regulatory, cultural and technical differences between jurisdiction. Here are some challenges and potential solutions associated with cross-border financial transaction using VDRs. Number one, differing regulatory environments challenges. Each country may have its own set of regulatory requirements regarding data privacy, security, and document storage. Number two, solution: choose a VDR provider that complies with international standards and has a track record of meeting various regulatory requirements. Customizable access controls can help adhere to a specific regional regulation. Number two, language barrier challenges. Participants may speak different languages, leading to potential misunderstanding and misinterpretation. Solution: opt for a VDR with multilingual support. Additionally, providing translation service for key documents or implementing communication tools with transaction feature can help bridge language gaps. Number three, currency and financial system differences. Divergent financial system and currencies can complicate financial transactions. Solutions: choose a VTR that support multiple currencies and integrates with various financial systems. This ensures that financial information is presented and processed in a very way that is familiar and compatible with users from different regions. Number four, time zone variances challenges. Participants in different time zone may experience delay in communication and decision making. Solution: implement feature like an asynchronous communication tools within the VDR to accommodate participants in various time zones. This includes discussions board, comments, and annotation that allows user to communicate without the need for real-time interaction. Number five, cultural differences challenges. Different cultural norms and business participate practice can impact communication and negotiation styles. Solution: encourage cultural sensitivity and awarenesses among participants. Additionally, use the VDR collaboration feature to foster transparent communication and ensure that all parties are on the same page regarding expectations and processes. Number six, network infrastructure availability. Number seven, data residency and sovereignty concerns. Number eight, security and compliance risks. In summary, while cross-border financial transaction using VDRs present challenges, careful consideration of the choice of VDR provider and proactive measures to address regulatory, cultural, and technical differences can significantly mitigate these challenges and facilitate smooth transaction. Thank you so much for watching my video.